Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa and Suzy sharing their plush toys.
Let's start drawing.
First I'm going to draw Suzy the sheep. I start drawing her eyes and the shape of her head. Then I draw her nose. Now I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears, her body, her 2 arms. She is wearing striped pajamas. In her hand, she is holding her favorite stuffed toy, an owl. Now let's draw Peppa Pig. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth, and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms. She is holding her stuffed animal in her hands. They are about to exchange their toys. Sharing demonstrates so much love. Very good. Finally, I draw a big heart on them. Good job!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
First, I color Suzy. I use pink for her nose and for the cheek. I color her mouth with 2 different shades of red. Then I color every second stripe of her pajamas with red. For her owl, I use this marker. I color her eyes with blue, her beak orange, and her legs yellow. Amazing! Now I color Peppa Pig. I use this pink marker for her skin. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Her pajamas are fuchsia. Then I color Teddy with this brown marker. Finally, I color the heart with red. And I add a little purple in the background. Excellent!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.